Hey guys, it's me, Timothy here for Anime UK, and today we're outside the BFI Imax in London, and it's a very exciting day because today is the UK premiere. Today is the UK premiere of Colourful Stage, the Miku Who Can't Sing. This is really exciting. So I can already see there are a load of Miku fans already here. As for Anime UK, we want to take a really serious look at this movie, so let's go and head in. One for the Miku movie, please. Yeah, I'm just gonna get. So there's a sign with all the. I'm guessing. Wow, you can see a lot of people are here, hyped for the Miku movie. Oh, again, I see what it is. The Miku booth is over here, so this looks really cool. As you can see, there is a Miku standee that you can have your photo with. Well, I took my photo with Miku, so now I'm just waiting here for the movie to start. Hey, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey, this event looks really cool, but sadly I didn't know about it before I could get tickets. Well, I got news for you. There's now a website you can check out all the latest UK anime events, animeinuk.co.uk. We'll now be listing every single anime event happening in UK. This is just not conventions, this will be stuff like movie screenings, pop-up stores. So there'll be that one page you can go to find out all the latest anime goodness that's going on here in the United Kingdom. Also, if you enjoy anime in UK cinema, we have a page for that. We're slowly updating it at the moment, but we will have every single anime movie coming out here in the UK with its UK cinema release. We'll also have maybe some more of the obscure ones, and we'll also have listings for some of the anime movie fest stuff like Scotland Loves Animation, and of course the London BFI Film Festival that is known to have a few anime screenings. Someone has bought their Miku. Oh, she's slightly falling. Someone has bought their Miku doll, and that is really awesome. Also, I've just noticed there's actual posters for the movie up here, which will be in cinemas in a few days' time. Don't remember these Vocaloids in any of the Vocaloid videos. And they have the trailer playing outside. I don't know how much of it I can show without YouTube going, copyright infringement, copyright infringement. Here we go. Wow, that is a big Miku. That is big. That is like colossal Titan Miku up here. Like, I think I was in here for the first time indeed, and I think there's like video of me just like freaking out. Look how big that Sega copyright is. It's like Sega must know they own this. You're around, man. Getting pretty hyped for Miku.
A Miku Who Can't Sing.
Whoa!
A couple of BFI Imax, and welcome to this UK premiere of Colourful Stage, the movie, A Miku Who Can't Sing.
Whoa!
Out of curiosity, how many of you have played Project Sekai? How many have played the game? Okay, you're going to have a good time with this film, because, you know, the reason we're bringing this film to the UK is because of you, is because of this audience. So give yourself a round of applause. Ooh. You'll get your code at the end of the screening. They will be handed out as you leave the cinema. So do make sure that you get one. I don't think I need to tell you that. You will make sure that you get one. No concerns about that. But with that said and done, again, thank you so much for coming out tonight. We hope you have a great time and enjoy the film.
So here we go. This is the code you get. I'm not going to show you the code, unfortunately. They taken down the photo area. But we're here with Harriet.
Hello.
See, I've not played Colourful Stage, but Harriet here has. So I feel like she'll be able to... I will give my review, but I will admit my reviews will have certain biases on certain things. But I'd love to know what Harriet thought of it.
I thought it was good because you have 5 individual bands in the game.
Yeah.
And you can play as many of the characters as you want.
Yeah.
But what I loved about this is like the fact you saw all the songs from each of the bands, and they're all different styles and different genres.
Yeah.
So it really was lovely to see.
Yeah.
Because I'm not well known with some of the bands and others, but it was good just to see it all come together. And I will say, if you haven't played the game, you probably won't know who the majority of these characters are unless they are Miku and the usual gang of vocalists. But I will say, give the game a go because there are some really good songs on there as well, and they are on like major music playlists if you want to play them. And I would highly recommend, if you are a fan of Vocaloid or a fan of Colourful Stage, go see this movie. I really enjoyed it, and you will too.
Splendid. That's actually lovely. That's actually someone who has played Colourful Stage. And my review is going to be from someone who didn't play Colourful Stage. I almost killed my camera. So, what did I think of Colourful Stage? Now, I'm very thankful for Harreit doing a review there. She is someone who has played Colourful Stage and is a lot more used to the characters on Colourful Stage. I will admit, I'm a Project Diva person. I was back in the day where you had a PSP and you had to find a website and you'd all of a sudden have Project Diva on your PSP because they'd never released it in this country. As I said, I'm a very old Vocaloid fan. I haven't had the chance to touch Colourful Stage yet. I do understand it does have quite a fan base, and I would say this movie, you really do have to have an understanding of Colourful Stage. If this is your first introduction to Colourful Stage, you're going to be very confused. There is a lot of characters. My nitpicks of the movie, I kind of wish they had maybe just focused more on not everyone in the movie, but go, this is our definite sort of main character. But Harriet was explaining it to me, saying there's like different bands, and of course I do understand there's different fans of those things. Probably a television series would be really good. I hope if they do go forward, they make a Colourful Stage. I feel there was a lot of interesting characters, but they were just too many characters at once. And of course, me being more an old school Vocaloid fan, I wanted to see probably a bit more Miku, Rin, Len, all the others. I did really enjoy the music. That's my other small nitpick, is I did feel like it wasn't right until the end, until they had all like the concerts and the music. I just wish there was a bit more music going on during the movie. But honest to God, everybody was enjoying the movie so much. There was lots of likes to this, and it definitely looks like it had touched the Colourful Stage fan base. So I do recommend, if you are going into this movie like me, not playing for Colourful Stage, probably maybe download the app, maybe look up a bit of the lore, at least understand who these characters are. You're definitely going to enjoy the movie a lot more. And plus, do make sure to stay towards the end. There is a very, very cool little concert. Personally, I thought it was the best part, and as I said, I wish there was just a little bit more Miku and the actual Vocaloids in the movie. But I'd like to thank again Anime Limited for putting this in the cinema and putting a lovely little event. I do like the events more like this when it is open for everybody to come. I would like to see lots more things like this, doing special events, putting it out there. It was a really lovely atmosphere. There was loads of people really excited. There were so many cosplayers. Just a shame we couldn't get a big group photo of all the cosplayers. Lots of people put a lot of effort in. There was lots of like Colourful Stage characters as well. So it definitely shows you that people do really like the Colourful Stage characters. And people like me, being a boomer, might know who they are. So Colourful Stage Miku Who Can't Sing will actually be out on the 31st of August. And you can catch it there. I think there is a website which I will put in the comments or somewhere down below me or above me, or whatever, YouTube. I hope you have enjoyed that episode. And trust me, we've got this next couple of weeks, we have so much planned. There is things in the works, so please do make sure to smash that subscribe button.